my name is Monika Yordanova and I'm a PhD student studying bee brood diseases. The brood is an especially vulnerable stage of the development of bees. This is the stage before they've become adults, and because they are immobile during this stage, this means that pathogens or other stressors that become deposited in their food source can easily expose them to danger, and unhealthy colonies that have brood diseases become quickly drained of resources and can die off. Similarly, for solitary species, this means that aside from potentially being drained of resources, they could also lose a lot of genetic material through losing out on individuals that could decrease the population and decrease genetic diversity. So unhealthy brood is problematic, yet despite this, this is an underexplored field of research. So this is where my PhD comes in. I want to examine the natural routes of transmission of pathogens that affect the brood, but I also want to examine what triggers a specific brood disease in honeybees, the disease called European foul brood. So I want to understand what results in the manifestation of symptoms of this disease and what are the triggers that enhance its effects. So this is an important piece of research because it allows us to gain a greater understanding of the health of wild bee populations, but also it helps us understand how we can better protect honeybees against stressors that may impede on their health and how their brood pathogens are being transmitted.